Hi friends! So today we're going to be doing a beach craft. How fun! I wish we could all go to the beach right now. But instead, we are going to make our own beach. So for this, we need our paper plate, some construction paper, and our salt dough. If you made the salt dough, if you made my special salt dough, get your salt dough. If not, you can get some colors or markers or paint if you have that, and some scissors, glue, tape. All right, so to start, I'm just going to take one plate and I'm going to draw an ocean wave. I'm gonna start with pencil to make sure I like my wave. Yeah, I think I like my wave. Now I'm gonna have to make some blue. This blue is a little dark. I'm gonna try and make a light blue that I can use. So I'm gonna put blue and some white, and I'm gonna mix them together. Because I wanted my blue water a little bit lighter. That looks pretty good. So now you can paint or color the ocean part blue. I'm starting at the top with the curve of my wave to make sure I got that nice. And then I'll just keep painting the rest. So we're just coloring or painting. Make sure if you're painting, you have something underneath and we're not just painting on a table or on a surface. We have something to cover. All right. Pretty good ocean wave. Once it dries, we can add more layers to make it really dark. All right, so once you have your blue ocean wave, ooh, now comes the fun part. If you made my special salt dough recipe, get your salt dough. If not, you could just get some tan color. This is going to be our sand for the beach. So we're gonna push, 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 and we're going to spread it all around. We're gonna push, push, and flatten and smush, smush. Sometimes it helps if you go like this with your hand. Push, push, push. And I want to cover the whole beach with sand. So you smush and you spread it all around. I just need a little more over here. All right. That is looking pretty good. So now we have our water and we have our sand for the beach. And here is where you get to be creative. You get to make scenery for your beach. So if you have some construction paper, maybe you wanted to make a little square and roll it up. Let me find my tape. Ooh. And I'm going to stick that right in the sand, right in there. And then I'm going to add some leaves. So you can add a tree, like a palm tree. So I just made some palm tree leaves. And I'm gonna put it on my tree. Ooh. Ooh. You know what I think this beach needs? A beach towel. So maybe you have a beach towel. With some fun lines or colors. I'm gonna put a beach towel right here. And I'm gonna add some pink. Because I want some more color on my beach scene. So we gotta stick it in the sand. So you gotta put some sand on the corners to hold it down. All right, so we have a towel, we have a palm tree. Ooh, maybe you even wanted to make I'm gonna show you. I'm drawing two little ovals. And look what I made, little flip-flops. So it looks like somebody took off their flip-flops and maybe they're going for a swim. Maybe you want to add a starfish or a normal fish swimming in the ocean. Or maybe you want to add some seashells on the beach. You can be so creative and do whatever you want. You could even do a little mini sandcastle. You could even build your own mini sandcastle. Oh no, my tree fell down. That's okay. I'll just pick it right back up and try and put the dough right around. Wow. And here is my beach scene. I can't wait to see what your beach scenes look like. Bye, friends.